What's up guys, welcome back to our video. This video I'll be showing you how to get SNK Heroes in Honor of Kings. So when the SNK event is active, the game introduces a special currency, often called something like Dream Energy. You earn this by playing certain game modes, completing matches, or finishing event-related tasks. As you collect Dream Energy, you can then redeem it for SNK characters in the event shop. It's a grind, but it's the main method when these heroes are temporarily available. Now, another route is through the Battle Pass system. At certain levels during the season, you might unlock a hero chest or a hero pearl, which sometimes include SNK hero characters as selectable rewards. Many players were able to unlock NSK heroes this way without spending extra or farming too hard. Now, during the event window, the in-game shop might also release an SNK hero box. This box gives you a random chance at getting one of the SNK heroes. It's a bit of a gamble here, so it's ideal for players who want to test their luck rather than target a specific hero. And lastly, some NSK characters have been made available via hero fragments during these crossover periods. They're usually a separate fragment exchange store specifically for the event, so if you're grinding and collecting these fragments, you can trade them directly for the SNK heroes you want. No randomness involved. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.